In a slight relief to many, the active COVID-19 cases in the country fell below the 1 lakh mark after surging to more than 1.5 lakh cases a month back. India recorded a slight dip in COVID-19 cases after reporting more than 13,000 cases a day before. 11,539 fresh COVID cases were added to the total tally of COVID-19 infections in the country on Saturday. With this, the total number of COVID-19 cases jumped to 4,43,39,429, while the active cases decreased to 99,879. Whereas till Saturday, the number of active patients was 1,01,166. 34 fresh COVID-related fatalities were reported. With this, the number of deaths due to corona in the country has increased to 5,27,332. According to the data released by the Health Ministry, the active cases comprised 0.23% of the total infections, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.59%. At the same time, the daily infection rate has come down to 3.75%. The weekly infection rate was recorded at 3.88%, whereas the mortality rate is 1.19%. At the same time, 209.67 crore doses have been given in the country under the corona vaccination campaign so far. Even though the number of corona patients is decreasing across the country, the infection is scaring in Delhi. In the last 24 hours, 1,109 new cases were reported in Delhi and 9 patients died. According to the Health Department, the infection rate in Delhi is more than 11%. More than 100 patients have died here in the last 20 days.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.